Hello and welcome. Today we visit Plextor, where PM Director Anthony Leo talks about the advantages of SSD drives versus conventional hard drives. He will also give us an in-depth walkthrough of their current flagship line of SSDs.
My name is Anthony Liu, the Product Director of the SSD. Today, it's my pleasure to introduce the Plextor SSD to all of you. Driven by perfect balance. In the past many years, the hard disk drive has been the best reliable solution for the storage. Nowadays, it's different. We are going to introduce the new technology for you, which is solid state drive. It is the time for the SSD. What is SSD? SSD stands for solid state drive. It is the high performance with the plug-and-play storage technology. It's lighter, faster, and smaller comparing with the traditional hard disk drive. For storage revolution, why we need to choose the SSD? First, it is the faster speed. We provide the 30% faster than the normal operation of hard disk drive when you open a file. Second, there is no vibration because there's no moving parts in our SSD. That is to say, when your system has been dropped or shocked, you are not going to worry about anything because there's no moving parts in the SSD. Third, it is ultra light, 30% weight reduction from the 2.5 inch of the SSD, so that makes you can fit the line of your ultrabook. The solid state drive not only used in the notebook and the ultrabook, it can also use to be the desktop, mini PC, as well as the server PC and the industry PC solutions. And we are looking for the golden ratio for the Plextor SSD. What is the SSD architecture? Compared with all of the competitors in the SSD territory, we are just like a sports car and other cars that's like the normal automotive. What is it means for? We use the best engine for this sports car. We use the Marvell leading controller, and also we use the leading technology from the NAND flash, which is Toshiba. And the most important thing is we actually have the best firmware team ever for this solid state drive, which we think is the soul who control the SSD of the drive. And it is a perfect balance. What is the so-called perfect balance? That means we can reach 100K IOPS. We have the best ever true speed technology, keep the high sustaining performance. We use the leading controller from the industry. We provide the leading warranty 5 years for the industry. We also guarantee 100% this drive has been made in Taiwan and gone through 100% agent test for the SSD. Talking about the best performance, what's the difference between our solid state drive and the other competitors? When the drive is clean, every performance looks perfect. But when the drive gets dirty, everybody's performance getting to degrade. And for our solid state drive, you can see there's almost no difference between the sustaining performance and the clean drive performance. That is the best difference, biggest difference between our solid state drive and our competitors. And we also, in order to get the best quality, whatever, and we have the most reliable and quality performance, we provide the industry leader 2.5 million MTBF for our SSD drive. We also provide the best agent test for our SSD drive. For example, when we are doing the 100% 512 GB of SSD drive, we run in the 22.5 hours for our solid drive in the agent test. And we have the best commitment to provide a 5 years warranty for our Plextor M5 Pro Extreme and the M5M. Talking about the product line, we have the two product lines for Plextor. One is for the 2.5 inch. It is the replacement for the traditional hard disk drive. We provide for the wide range of the different capacity for our M5 Pro, starting from 128, 256, and 512 GB. We are going to introduce our new product line, which is the M5 SSD for you. Plextor M5 SSD. What are the benefits? It's the compact size with the biggest performance, the gap, and it's extremely tiny, 8x smaller than the 2.5 inch. Ultra low weight, only 1/8 of the weight compared with the 2.5 inch. Still keep the outstanding high speed for the SSD drive. Then it uses the low power consumption of the SSD. And we are going to introduce the full territory of the M5 SSD, starting from the 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB. With these three different M5 categories, you can fit in the need for your ultrabook, for the ultra light. Make your notebook, ultrabook, and the mini PC with the very lightweight and compatible. This is the Plextor M5 SSD.